If your fireplace grate is all rusty or busted, it's time to swap that bad boy out before things get worse. Okay, so first up, don't just ignore a rusty grate because it can mess with how your fire burns and even cause safety issues. Grab a wire brush and give it a good scrub to see if you can get rid of surface rust. If it's still pretty rough, consider using some high heat spray paint to protect it a bit. When picking a new grate, make sure it fits your fireplace size and is made from solid steel or cast iron for durability. Also, check the weight limit so it can hold your logs without bending. Before installing, clean out old ashes and debris to keep air flowing right. If you're not sure about the size or style, take measurements and photos and ask your local hardware store for help. Lastly, keep your grate dry when the fireplace isn't in use to slow down rust forming again. One of the biggest mistakes with fireplace grates is ignoring early rust spots, which can turn into holes or cracks fast. Fix this by cleaning and painting as soon as you spot rust. Another common problem is buying a grate that's too small or flimsy for your fireplace. This makes fires less efficient and can be dangerous, so always double-check measurements and material quality. The third issue is not clearing out ash buildup regularly, which blocks airflow and makes your fire burn poorly. Make it a habit to scoop out ashes after each use. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trustworthy local contractors who know their stuff. For contractors, it's a great way to find legit work and build a steady client base without all the hassle.